Welcome back to Travels with JoJo, the channel where I bring the world of travel and adventures to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button.